Hello everyone, welcome to FPL Dream Team selection for the upcoming game week 10. Let's go deeper into the video. Lukas Fabianski as well as his team West Ham didn't start the season well from a defensive perspective, but he has provided back-to-back clean sheets against Everton and Tottenham in the past 2 game weeks. His current performances helped us to pick him as one of our goalkeeping choices for the upcoming game week 10. Leeds United have been leaky at the back and Maguire has not been at his best form in this season. In the next game week, Leeds will face Norwich in an away game. As Norwich have been going through some difficult moments currently at this period of the season, this could be a chance for Maguire to grab some points and make his owners happy. Cancelo has featured all the games for Manchester City this season and currently is the joint highest point providing defender of FPL with Trent of Liverpool. He already contributed to 6 clean sheets and provided 2 assists. In game week 10, his team will face Crystal Palace, where he will surely try to add some more points to his tally. The current season has been the most fantastic one in Livramento's career. He started the season at FPL with a price tag of only 4 million. But currently it seems like he had been way underpriced. He has already provided 36 FPL points and has established himself as a starter of his team. No wonder he has confirmed his position in our next week's dream team when he will face Watford at an away match. Ben Chilwell generally doesn't fail to impress if he is on the field for Chelsea. Since his return to the first 11, he has been in blistering form for his team and provided 35 points in just 3 games. He will face Newcastle at an away match at the upcoming game week and he has sealed his place in our dream team for the upcoming game week 10. 5 million price defender Reguilon has provided 36 fantasy points in this season while he provided 3 clean sheets and assisting 2 goals. In the upcoming game week, he will face Aston Villa in an away match. Aston Villa has been inconsistent this season, both attacking and defensively, which brings the probability for Reguilon to shine in the upcoming game week. Trent has been one of the top-rated defenders of FPL for the past several seasons. It is no wonder that he is on his way to replicate that time of form this season also. He has already provided 51 points and in the upcoming fixture when Liverpool would face Brighton could be another ideal stage for him to shine. Rafinha has been the main man of Leeds United's attack this season. Bamford's unavailability due to injury has made him responsible for scoring goals this season, and also he has been focused to do so. This man possesses individual quality which makes sure if he is fit, he could be a top pick for the next game week while his team Leeds will face Norwich. Manchester City has been a star-studded team for the past several years. Injuries and bad patches of some key players in City's team has made the way for Phil Foden into team's first 11 this season. In his last 3 matches, he has provided 31 fantasy points which indicates his nice form at this moment. We did not have to think that much to include him in our dream team for game week 10. The way Egyptian King Mohamed Salah is playing, there is no way any dream team could be formed without him. In a difficult fixture against Manchester United, he provided 24 FPL points last week. He is a no-brainer in our next week's dream team. Mason Mount just came back from injury and had some difficult moments to tackle as the team's 2 forward Lukaku and Werner had been injured. That brought the pressure of scoring goals on him and he completely owned the moments of pressure. He provided 24 points against Norwich, scoring 3 goals and assisting another one. In the upcoming game week, he will face Newcastle who has been leaky at the defense this season. And we back Mason Mount to add some more points to his tally in the upcoming game week. Son has had a good start of the season, scoring 4 goals and assisting another 2 for the Spurs. This is pretty impressive and shows he is the one hogging the points at Spurs right now. Spurs welcome Manchester United at the London Stadium in game week 10 who have not been performing decently at the back this season. And the South Korean has shown over his career to be a lethal finisher and doesn't need many chances to score. So he seems to be the most likely source of points from Spurs at this moment. Jointly highest point providing forward of FPL right at this moment, Antonio, doesn't need much to prove to seal his place in any week's dream team. He scored the winner against Spurs in the last match and will face Aston Villa at Villa Park in the next game week. Though Aston Villa has a strong defensive lineup, Antonio's form speaks for him and back him up to bag some more points in the upcoming fixture. Brentford are going to have a smooth fixture run in the upcoming game weeks, and a budget but qualified forward like Ivan Toney was likely to feature in our upcoming week's dream team. Toney has a great involvement in his team's goals and he will face Burnley in an away game in the upcoming game week 10. A fan favorite and dedicated player like him was always going to make his spot in the dream team of next game week. Many FPL managers couldn't agree that Raul Jimenez could be back to his best form again after the massive injury blow he faced last year. Well, it took some time for him to shine again, but now he is on his way to wrap things properly. He provided 24 fantasy points in his last 4 matches. In the upcoming game week, he will face Everton at a home game. As Everton's defense has been inconsistent this season, Jimenez would be the one in contention to add some more numbers in his point tally. That was all from us for the upcoming week's Dream Team selection. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for our upcoming contents. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPL Edits on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.